It's your boy Morty. Dog, you got me laughing. Dog.
All right, yo, game time, dog.
Hey, today we're checking out a 2006 RSX Type S.
Type S.
It's your boy Morty. I'm with my boy Castillo. He just got the car, so we wanted to give you guys a quick walk around of it. Let's get into it. So what made you get this car, man? This is like everybody's dream car.
Yeah, high school, right?
Yep.
So 2 years ago, yeah, my daily broke down, you know, my everyday driver.
Yeah.
So I was without a car, whatever, and I said, you know what? Why not? You know,
Hey.
got myself a little project car that I always wanted, and bro, it was rough. I bought it, it was a couple hours away.
Yeah.
So
how was it picking it up? You just drove there and picked it up?
I drove to Acura, 5 hours away.
Oh my God.
Didn't know if the car could make it.
Risked everything.
Yeah, I just drove down.
That's what's up, man.
5 hours, came back down, the car made it. And then I started discovering all the little things, all the issues.
Yeah.
It didn't come with the original motor. So that was another thing. The suspension was all messed up. Interior was all trash. So dude, basically from the ground up.
That's what's up, man. So let's start with the wheels. What you got on here?
Bro, I got the basic Enkei RPF1s on the Cosmo tires. Shout out Cosmo. 17 by 9 plus 22. Stock brakes, stock Type S brakes. The exterior, you got the typical Honda Fade paint. After a couple years, I'm working on getting it painted either this year or next year.
So let me ask you, what's the process of getting it painted like this? So you have to take it to a certain...
Yeah, I gotta take it to a body shop.
Paint shop?
Yeah, and they gotta sand it all down and...
And there's a specific Honda paint, right?
Yeah. So
okay.
this color is a little bit rare. You don't really see this orange. It's a blaze orange metallic.
Nice.
So yeah, it's a little rare, but not, you know, not the rarest thing.
Okay.
And what else? The suspension, it's on basic, the True Hearts. Yeah, it's a True Hearts.
Is it lowered?
Yeah, it's lowered. You know, suspension is all right. Everybody who gets in it says it's really good, but for me, it's, you know, it's not there yet. It's a little bouncy. So
yeah.
I want something more performance. So
a little firmer.
Yeah, my goal with this car is to track it. So, you know, I'm just building up to it.
Nice.
You know, this is the basic, well, the original.
Spoiler?
Yeah, the A-Spec spoiler with the little spoiler here. The exhaust. So I got the original exhaust cut up and I installed the 8th gen pan, but kept the Type S tip on it. So it looks stock, but it sounds a little different than what a stock Type S would sound like. So at the bottom, I forgot about this. I have the lower control arms. I forgot what brand they are. Lower control arms, the sway bar bracing. The outside is basically stock, just has the wheels that makes it pop.
So let's get on the interior so Castillo can talk to you about what he's done on the inside.
So interior, man, the interior was a hot mess when I got it. Seats were all trash. The steering wheel was trash, bro, the carpet.
It looks like you got a brand new steering wheel. How did you source that? Where'd you get it?
Dude, just marketplace, searching.
Facebook?
Yeah, Facebook marketplace.
Nice.
I was able to source the steering wheel. I was able to source the seats. The seats were all cracked. The mats, I was able to source the Type S mats.
So let me ask you something. When you, as a car guy, when you come in and research, like, what are you doing? How did you find the seats, especially the seats? To me, they're pristine. But how did you find that and the steering wheel? So what you do?
Looking every day.
Facebook,
yeah.
asking around?
Facebook, I don't ask around. I just really just marketplace, offer up, just every day. You gotta be on top of it. Just looking. Asking around and dude, I was able to find them.
Dude, and it's a cash only? Like, how does this work?
Yeah, just cash.
I'm not a car guy, but I'm just asking, I'm asking a car guy, how does this cash only, huh?
Dude, I've learned that when you see it, like the steering wheel, I saw it and I was like, oh yeah, I might pick it up next week. No, you gotta do it.
You gotta get it now because someone else is gonna get it from you. Okay.
You gotta be on top of it because this car, you don't really find parts because not that many people have it.
Got you. I see you got an in-dash flat screen.
So yeah, I did the Pioneer, the doubled in with the CarPlay. I did the new Type R shift knob with the shift boot. I also did the air fuel gauge. I put it right here. Not a lot of people have it here.
How long did that take you to do?
Probably like an hour.
Let's take a look at what's under the hood.
Yeah. So like I said, the car came with a base model motor. So it didn't come with the original motor of the car. So what I did, me and my two boys, shout out Manny and Joel, we swapped in a K24A, which is a JDM motor.
Nice.
So this motor, I picked it up for $1,000.
What?
Yeah.
How much horsepower? What are the specs on it?
So it makes around sub 200 horsepower.
Okay. Have you dynoed it?
Not yet, not yet. So I'm waiting to do the exhaust. I want to upgrade the intake manifold, and just a couple more things.
That's
I do
nice.
have a race header, DTR race header, and just a engine cold air intake.
That's what's up, man. Any lights? Anything else that you've done?
Basic
Stuff?
basic stuff. Nothing too crazy. I got LEDs. I got the depot headlights.
Yeah.
Which I want to get the original headlights.
Okay.
But that's when I paint the car.
All right. Let's get to the rolling shots.
So you can follow me at Blaze_RSXS. Shout out to my boy Manny and Joel for the motor swap, helping me with the motor swap, and also Cosmo Tires for the for the tires on the whip. All right, catch y'all later.